As someone who's worked in marketing for a long time, I wanted to put together a quick video and explain 13 things any small business can do and go over a few different marketing strategies you can implement to help get more visibility and ultimately more calls and more sales for your business. So let's hop into it. We'll keep it nice and quick. The first thing everyone can do is utilize Google Suite by Google Cloud. The G Suite productivity offers a lot of really essential tools like Gmail, Google Docs, Google Calendar that can really help your business. By making sure you're using this, you can streamline all of your business operations, improve collaboration and talking between staff, and also reduce your costs. Most of you are probably already doing this, but if you're not, I would highly recommend you switch over from your old Outlook calendars and emails and get onto G Suite. It's $7 a month per person and will help so much. The next thing you can do is create a user-friendly website. Now, last week I made a video, I believe it was called the 10 things that will scare away customers on your website. And this is so true. A well-designed website is so crucial for attracting and retaining customers. By making sure your website is easy to navigate, mobile-friendly, and visually appealing, you're going to help your customers so much. Also, making sure there's clear calls to action and really fast loading times are really crucial steps to a positive user experience, and making sure once people come to your site, they'll actually stay there and ultimately call in. Another strategy you can implement is producing helpful content. This seems really intuitive, but it's really important and honestly so neglected because so many business owners are too busy in their business, they don't have time to focus on this type of higher level stuff. By creating high quality content that addresses your target audience's needs and interests, you can stand out in your industry. This could take form in blog posts, articles, videos, kind of like what I'm doing right now, and different infographics. And all of these are going to help establish your business as an industry expert and generate way more organic traffic to your website. This plays into the next one, which is being active on social media. For all the same reasons, social media platforms are powerful tools for connecting with your audience. If you share engaging content, respond to comments, reviews, and messages quickly, and also run targeted ads, you're going to reach an even wider audience. This is a free way to stay in touch with your top clients, make sure it's easy for them to find you, and share your business with their friends as well. And in addition, will keep you top of mind for when it's time to um, use your services again. Even if you're in a niche where it typically isn't a social media based thing, let's say you're a plumber, people typically aren't looking to fix their toilets on social media. It still can't hurt to make sure you're being active on there because your clients can follow you on there, and then when the time comes, you'll still be top of mind. They're gonna call you next. Another thing that you can do is optimize your website for search engines SEO. This is the main theme of my channel and it's the biggest no-brainer. If you don't know already, I definitely recommend you check out any of my other videos on SEO. But in short, SEO involves optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages, or SERPs. This typically means Google and ultimately means getting onto the page one of Google. By using relevant keywords, you can create high quality backlinks and improve your website's loading speed to attract organic traffic. Another thing you can do, this plays into SEO, is creating a Google My Business profile, or GMB profile for short. A GMB profile will help you manage your business's online presence on Google. By claiming and optimizing your profile, you can improve your local search engine rankings and attract more customers. So this will mean when someone types in electrician near me, gym near me, plumber near me, or whatever your service provides, they're going to see you at the very top of Google in that little map view with your phone number and all your reviews. Make sure you set this up right. I have a whole video on optimizing a GMB profile, and I definitely recommend you all check that out. Another thing you can do, and this is really commonly slept on, but don't neglect other search engines. The other ones like Bing and Yahoo do still make up a somewhat relevant portion of web traffic. By optimizing your website for these platforms, which take such a little amount of time, you can help reach a broader audience. Especially if you're already doing SEO, you've done 95% of the work. There's just those couple extra tweaks you can do for other search engines that are going to help you get found by the odd person who still uses the somewhat antiquated search engines. This isn't me advocating for the other ones. Google is definitely the best one, but again, it doesn't hurt because some people do hang out there. Another thing that any small business owner can do, and I would also recommend, is implementing email marketing. Email marketing is a really cost effective, and by cost effective, I mean free, way to nurture your leads and retain customers. Make sure you build an email list and send somewhat regular newsletters, promotional emails, and even personalized offers. Don't go too far here and be emailing people frequently, but by getting in touch with everyone in your CRM and database on a quarterly or even once a year basis at the minimum, you can again stay top of mind and ensure that you're the person they call when they need your services again or are thinking about you. If a friend, family member, or colleague happens to mention they're looking for a service, they'll have your email and your contact info right there from that recent newsletter and they can forward it along. Another really good strategy for small businesses is utilizing paid advertising or PPC ads like Google Ads or Meta Ads. I have loads of videos on this and recommend you check them out if you're interested. But in short, using ads can help you reach a wide audience really, really quickly. You don't have to wait for SEO to pick up. You can just target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors and help maximize your return on investment. And again, get in front of your top customers quickly. Something else I'd encourage everyone to consider doing is just staying informed on different industry trends by making sure that you're up to date on things, attending conferences, webinars, and workshops. You can know what's happening in marketing within your specific industry and know what's working for the top businesses in your industry. All this information is out there right now. You don't even need to fly to Miami or Orlando to go to an expo. You can just tune into the webinar and figure out what's working for landscaping marketing, plumber marketing, restaurant marketing, whatever it is, and make sure you're implementing those things and know what's working. And even more, actually, importantly, know what's not working because there's so many people who think I need to be doing this, I need to be doing that, but these are antiquated strategies. The amount of emails I get every week or month from people saying, "Hey, Levi, I have 55 domains in my GoDaddy account. Do I need them all?" No, you absolutely don't need them. They're irrelevant domains. This was a thing, I think, like before I was born in the 90s, and it totally isn't now. And you'd know this if you're watching this stuff. So I definitely recommend you keep up to date, especially if you don't have someone like myself that you can kind of ask all these questions to and make sure you're on the right path. Another big recommendation I'd have is learning from your competitors. By analyzing their marketing strategies, you can identify their strengths and weaknesses. Make sure you learn from their successes and avoid their mistakes. The easiest way to do this, at least in regards to SEO, is look at the words they're ranking for. Go on to SEMrush, download a free account, type in their URL, acmeplumbing.com, and figure out what words they're ranking for. These are the words you're probably going to want to rank for. And you can basically save yourself a whole bunch of trial and error, figuring out what words are relevant and just copy what's already working for them. This works especially well if they're a few years ahead and a few steps ahead in size of business because they're where you want to be. And again, you can just emulate what they're already doing. Something I'd recommend to everyone, and is really the reason my business exists, is outsourcing weakness. If you're not skilled in a certain area, like web design, web development, SEO, paid ads, whatever, you should definitely consider outsourcing these tasks to a professional. This will free up your time to focus on your core competencies, run your business the best, and do your job, and also make sure that whatever you're outsourcing is done by the best. You probably wouldn't incorporate your business yourself or file your corporate tax returns yourself. You hire a lawyer and accountant for that. The same thing should happen with any marketing stuff. If you're running Google Ads and you have no clue how to do it, you should probably hire someone who knows how to do it because you're going to waste way more money in wasted ad spend than you would by spending than what you'd spend on someone to do it. The last thing I'd recommend is prioritize consistency over branding. Consistency is really important to building a strong brand. By focusing on delivering high quality products or services and creating valuable content on a regular basis, you're going to get in front of the right people. Don't worry too much about branding and awareness and all this stuff. Just make sure you're doing a good job and talking about how you're doing that, and people are going to pick up on that. Anyways, that's the video. 13 quick tips that you can do yourself. If you have any questions about this, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, hope everyone has a good day, and we'll see you in the next one.